Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, turn the ignition off and remove the key, then open the seat or side cover to reach the headlamp area. Once done, remove the small rubber access cap at the rear of the headlight housing. This exposes the parking bulb socket. Make sure to wear gloves to avoid oil on the bulb and keep a clean rag handy. You want clear access before touching the socket because cramped moves can break clips or bend contacts and cost time. You now remove the bulb holder. Press the small tab, twist counterclockwise or release the clip, and pull the socket straight out. Once exposed, grip the old parking bulb at the plastic base and pull it free. Do not touch the glass. Insert the new bulb by lining up the locator tabs and push it firmly into the socket until it seats. Then reinsert the socket into the headlight housing and twist or clip it to lock. This ensures good contact and prevents moisture ingress. You finish by replacing the rubber access cap and any covers you removed, then reconnect the battery if you disconnected it earlier. Once everything is back, turn the ignition and switch on the parking light to confirm it illuminates steadily. Make sure you check from both sides for proper brightness. If the bulb does not light, make sure to wiggle the socket gently to verify contact, clean corroded contacts, and check the parking light fuse before replacing parts. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.